Yo, Mikey.
Belly Go Production.
Go and go tell them say we no response to no man who a go shut up like girl.
Belly Go Production.
You're too fast. Me back for them. Again. Beat it. Say. Apprentice.
We no response to badmind. If it a hustling, them can't stop mine. Tell them we ready on the front line. Bust them head and them dead every time we drop a punchline. Them no know about yardos. We team ready every time we a march out. The dogs there, them a bite, them no back out. Everything sort out, what the fuck you talk about?
Some man quick to turn into an enemy. Now me see it clear, they could never be a friend to me. Them heart full of hate and the mind full of jealousy. Tell some boy them can't step to me. Tell them some man I just a user. Me see through them quick, so me win. I could never be a loser. That's why I keep to myself and try to protect my life when them bust off them nine and them. Them a hype up, them a hype up, them a big up themselves and them full of back grudge. Them never could have been like us. Them could have never been like us. Them a hype up, them a hype up, them a big up themselves and them full of back grudge. Them never could have been like us. Them never could have been like us.
When we touch the street, them obsolete. Them no see it, them can't compete. Every time we put a touch concrete, me and me team complete. See them can't crush we, cause them can't touch we. That's why them python a cuss we. Them can't rush we. We no Peppa Pig, we no Bugsby. We no funny man Bill Cosby.
Some man quick to turn into an enemy. Now me see it clear, they could never be a friend to me. Them heart full of hate and the mind full of jealousy. Now some boy them can't step to me. Tell them some man I just a user. Me see through them quick, so me win. I could never be a loser. That's why I keep to myself and try to protect my life when them bust off them nine and them. Them a hype up, them a hype up, them a big up themselves and them full of back grudge. Them never could have been like us. Them could have never been like us. Them a hype up, them a hype up, them a big up themselves and them full of back grudge. Them never could have been like us. Them never could have been like us.
We no response to bad mind. If it a hustling, them can't stop mine. Tell them we ready on the front line. Bust them head and them dead every time we drop a punchline. Them no know about yardos. Me team ready every time we a march out. The dogs there, them a bite, them no back out. Everything sort out, what the fuck you talk